Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Ranger tail light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a small socket wrench set. Of course, have your new tail light bulb or the entire assembly ready. Always ensure your Ford Ranger is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off and the parking brake engaged for your safety before starting any work. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly itself. You'll typically find 2 or 3 retaining screws located on the inside edge of the tail light housing, accessible from the tailgate opening. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle's body. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the bulbs. For a bulb replacement, twist the specific bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, gently pull the old bulb straight out and insert the new one. If you're replacing the entire assembly, locate the main wiring harness clip and carefully disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling apart. This will free the old assembly. Now, let's put everything back together. If you replace the entire assembly, connect the new wiring harness. Insert any new bulbs into their sockets and twist them clockwise to secure them. Carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting holes and push it firmly into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions, including brake lights and turn signals, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.